And there it is. Welcome to Nha Trang, one of the most mass tourism here in Vietnam. Nearly in the ocean there again. Just look at the people in here. Really swingy in here. There. So at this end, not so much at the first end where we started. Good afternoon from Nha Trang here in Vietnam. So it's around about 4:10. I'm here at the beach here in Nha Trang. I presume it's called Nha Trang Beach. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it's a very, very long beach anyway. And what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a walking tour of, let's call it, Nha Trang Beach. So my starting point for today's video is going to be a place called the Sailing Club, which is like a beachfront restaurant here at Nha Trang Beach. It's actually the only one I've seen actually on the beachfront, which is a little bit of a shame because I do like to eat at beachfront restaurants on the beach locations. Da Nang, where I've been previously, that has many beachfront restaurants. However, there is very, very limited well, only one that I've seen, beachfront restaurant here in Nha Trang. Now there is a lot of space between the beach. There's a big area between the beach and going out to the main beachfront road area. So there is area that restaurants could be constructed and could be built. There's lots of seating area on the beach. It's a good deep beach, beautiful white sand, pristine white sand beach, beautiful crystal clear ocean. It's very, very popular here. I don't know whether it's like this all the time, but it is so busy. All of Vietnam during my travels has been very busy. I've visited 4 places: Phu Quoc, Paradise Island, beautiful, so busy there. Then I went to Da Nang, flew to Da Nang, went straight down from Da Nang to Hoi An. Hoi An, absolutely crazy busy in there. Come back up to Da Nang, crazy busy in Da Nang, and now I'm here in Nha Trang, and it's the same here. The theme is just the same all the way through. It's so busy, so popular, and looks as though it's becoming probably the most popular Southeast Asian tourist destination. So the tourists that you're going to see in today's video, I'm going to take a stroll, I'm going to zigzag in along, there is a beach path that runs all the way along the back of the beach. I'm going to zigzag in and go out onto the road as well and show you some of the buildings on the road and on the street. Come onto the path, zigzag in and out from the path and the beach, and just give you a general idea what you can expect and how much of a wonderful holiday wonderful holiday experience you're actually going to have here in Nha Trang, Vietnam. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Nha Trang. Okay, this is my start point for today's video. The Sailing Club is there. We'll come and take that in a minute. I just want to show you just how busy this beach here is. All tourists. Super busy. Wow. Amazing. Just look at that. Mass tourism here in Vietnam. All the way along the beach. See lots and lots of people. Some people in the ocean also. Many in the ocean there. Look how busy it is on the beach. Wow. Okay, back on the track now. So they have a pathway runs along the back of the beach. That's the Sailing Club. They do usually have chairs on the beach, however it's not set up at the moment. It's a beautiful restaurant here as well. Not super busy in there, but I feel it's maybe a little bit too early. And here we are. I think that this must be Nha Trang Beach. Here's Nha Trang. Just move away from the copyright music. So many people on this beach. Wow. Nha Trang Sailing Club. Just look how busy it is. Super busy everywhere. Wow. There it is, beach vibes. You have quite a few people actually at this area here. Tourists going along on the motorcycle. So it's quite busy actually at this end, not so much at the first end where we started. Wow. So they normally have all these laid out on the beach. Maybe it's too early, maybe soon. So you can see it's busy all along the beach, all along the track also. And these beautiful grass verges leading over to the main street there. Groups of tourists here as well. Just never stops, look at this. I want to take you and show you these gardens here as well. And these beautiful trees, all the palm trees are painted with white bases. And these beautiful seating areas all around as well. And we have these beautiful cut trees and things. Okay, I'm out on the street now. We have the I-San 268 or something restaurant across the street there. See the citizens here. And I just want to take you through this section here and just show you the real beauty of this place. Of these grass verges, it's like a little park, but it has all these manicured bushes and everything here. You see all those beautiful bushes there. Wow, very, very nice. There's a close-up of the bushes, just dropping back down onto the path now. So you have, these are Vietnamese, not tourists, sat in this area here. This stone statue here as well. Just many beautiful bushes. Just look at that. Fabulous. All of the pyramid type bushes here. All the parking as well around the side. And then we're going to head back onto the beach now. Plenty of tourists walking around here. We're going to get back on the beach. And we're zigzagging out from the beach and the path. So you can see it's totally packed in every area of the beach here. These are all tourists, not Vietnamese on the beach. It's all tourists. Tourists come to happy places. There's the Vin Wonders over in the distance on the island there. It's one of the main attractions here. Just look how busy this is on the beach. And the ocean also. Fabulous. Okay, so I'm back on the pathway now. Tourists lying under the bushes and things as well in the shade here. Busy on the beach. A few walking on the track. There's the citizens there. More hotels. So what it is missing at this actual beach location in comparison to Da Nang, it has lots of sun lounges, sunbeds and things of that nature. However, what it is lacking is beach restaurants. If it had beach restaurants, I love to have food on the beach. So they're just packing some of the beds and things up now for the day. But many people are just actually coming here and sitting on the beach, rolling a towel out on the sand. Doing wonders in the distance there. Just look how many people there is here. Amazing. Wow. Okay, so just back on the track now. Have some little seating areas here. More of these beautiful manicured bushes here. Take you over here. There's some exercise equipment over here. People doing the exercises. And the hotel accommodation, the main street there. What's the elder people using the exercise equipment? They're exercising here. Guys over there. And on the bike as well. Stuff here. This lady's really swinging here. Lots of different exercise equipment here. Presume it's all free. Nice. It's quite the older people here in this location. Just doing the spinning there. And now on this. Nice. Everybody's doing something everywhere. So these little things here as well. Pull-ups as well here. All of those are in occupied. Okay, so we just come from that direction. Very, very busy up there. Walking this way. Just so the sun lounges are being packed up now for the day. It's still very, very busy on the beach. Can you believe? This is all tourists, not Vietnamese. This is all tourists. Many in the ocean now again. Oh. Just chilling, relaxing. So nice to see a place busy like this and see how popular it's become. Because there's no real social media negativity, people. So negative things here in Vietnam. You get your hands cut off. Wow, this is nice. Okay, just back on the track now. Just look at the people in here. Wow. Just look at this now. I'll give you a full pan of the beach. This is what you do call busy. No social media. People see 10 people on the street in Bali and get excited. Here, this is busy. How beautiful is that? There's some people sat on the wall here as well. Just chilling, relaxing. Big, vast area here. I'm not sure what actually happens here. Well, this beautiful hotel here. This one has the swimming pool right up in the top there. We can't see it. We've got the swimming pool that hangs off the ledge. Maybe I'll stay at that hotel and so you can see it before I leave here. Vietnamese flag. guy here selling some kites and things. People just sat chilling, relaxing. Hey, look at that. How busy is that? Oh, and the ocean as well. The Vietnamese flag flying there. All these beautiful little palm trees there. And then we have the welcome to Nha Trang sign over in the distance there. Hyatt Regency there. The night market is there. And there it is. Welcome to Nha Trang, one of the most beautiful iconic buildings here in Nha Trang. How beautiful is that? Wow. Okay, just from our building now, we'll just give you one last look at the beach. This is where we've come from. You can see it's very, very busy. Wow.